Hello everyone, I am Harshith.
I'm Harshith.
From grade 8, the Prodigies International School. And we are here to present our project, the Smokeless to the GYS Avishkar Awards 2025. Every year, thousands of homes are affected due to accidental fires. This may occur due to short circuits, gas leaks, or many such fire accidents. This affects everyone, especially with houses with old wiring or kitchens. This turned into a motivation for me when a fire occurred near our building. We thought, what if we build something that can automatically detect smoke and warn someone? This idea turned into a solution. So we built a solution using Arduino Uno, a smoke detecting sensor, a buzzer, and a mail alert system.
So now we'll show you the demonstration of our project. Whenever the smoke is detected to the sensor, the reading goes up above the safe limit, which is 850 units. And with that, the buzzer will automatically go on, and we'll even get a notification to the email. By this, we can take the necessary action required.
Due to this, we can prevent many accidents. We can, even if we are not home, we can get the alert and inform the fire department or our neighbors so that damage of property or life can be beforehand saved. So this project is very affordable. The Arduino Uno, the smoke detecting sensor and the buzzer all together come at a very low cost. So here, if manufactured in bulk, it can save millions of lives. Thank you GYS Avishkar Awards 2025 team for this wonderful opportunity. I really enjoyed learning about the Arduino sensors and how to code for the email alert system. I realized that small innovations can change big lives. Thank you for watching our video.